guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. You guys can see I'm in my bathrobe. Yes, I just took a shower and just finished my hair wash. And guess what? Today is 13th of March and today is my anniversary day and I'm going for a date with my husband. So I thought to share a quick get ready with me kind of video with you guys. So in this video I'm going to share with you how I do my skincare, makeup, hair and all. Alright, now if you're interested then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna wear this dress. This is the black bodycon kind of dress and this is the shoe. I'm gonna wear these sandals and yeah, I'm gonna wear this. Alright, now you guys can see my hair is slightly damp. I'm going to blow dry now. So before that I'm going to use a hair serum and I'm going to use this Trix walnut hair serum. You can see. Now you guys can see my hair is completely dry and nicely blow dried. Now what I'm thinking, I'm going to straighten my hair a little bit. So I'm going to use this hair straightener. This is from Agaro, you can see. So with this 3 button, you can see it's the on off button, it's the temperature up and down button. You can set the temperature using these buttons. Now I have been using this straightener since last 6 to 7 months and I absolutely love this straightener. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take few drops of serum, apply it on the ends of my hair. And I'm gonna section my hair and that way it will be easy to straighten the hair. Now this hair straightener has this comb kind of bristles, so it's easy to straighten the hair. It just acts like comb. The comb kind of bristles helps to evenly distribute the heat into the hair. Earlier I was using the Philips hair straightener, but now I have been using this straightener for like 6 to 7 months and I absolutely love this straightener. It just makes my hair so manageable by removing the frizziness. It makes my hair so silky, smooth and bouncy. I absolutely love this straightener. I can highly recommend this straightener to you guys. I'll leave the link of this straightener in the description box below. It's available on Amazon and Nykaa. You can check that out. Now my hair is kind of straight. It's not curly, kind of wavy you can say. So it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to straighten my hair. And now you can see my hair looking straight, silky and bouncy. And yeah, now that my hair is done, I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup. Alright, I have already washed my face and now I'm gonna use this moisturizer. This is from Dot & Key Probiotics and Rice Water Moisturizer. Now my skin is like Sahara Desert dry skin and this moisturizer really helps to hydrate my skin. I love this moisturizer. If you have dry skin, do try out this moisturizer guys. So now I'm gonna use this Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. It's a gel based primer. It helps to minimize the pores and also smoothen the skin. Next I'm gonna use this Colorbar Amino Skin Radiant Foundation. It's a quite full coverage foundation you guys and it's best for dry skin also. This foundation will give you a radiant and dewy looking skin. Next I'm taking this K Beauty Hydrating Concealer. This concealer will give you a medium to full coverage. Now it's a hydrating concealer and it's blending beautifully on my skin, you can see. Now I don't have huge dark circle. I'm gonna brighten my under eye a little bit. Next, to set my face, I am taking this K Beauty loose powder, applying it on my under eye so that the concealer will not crease. Next, to give my face a little structure, I am taking this Rimmel Natural Bronzer. This bronzer will give me a sun-kissed kind of look. It just makes my face look more structured and chiseled. can see how instantly it made the difference on my face, and this side of my face looking more sun-kissed and structured. Alright, next I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. I'm taking this K Beauty blush in the shade Coral Charm. For my brows, I'm taking here the e.l.f. brow pencil. Next I'm taking this e.l.f. bite size eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this light color just for my eye base and applying it all over my eyelid. For today's look, I'm gonna do a light smoky eye. It's a daytime look, so I'm gonna keep it simple. And for the smoky effect, I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow from this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, applying it on the outer area of my eye, just blending it. I'm not gonna make it deep smoky, I'm just making it a light smoky eyes, applying the same black eyeshadow on my lower lash line also. I'm just gonna blend it lightly on all over my eyelid. Next I am taking this Maybelline Tattoo eyeliner. It's a waterproof, smudge proof eyeliner. Now that eyeliner is done, I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm using this Maybelline Sky High mascara. I'm not gonna use falsies, it's a daytime makeup look, so I'm keeping it simple. Next, to line my lips, I'm using this K Beauty lip liner. Next, for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Mamaearth Moisture Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade Carnation Nude. It's a beautiful nude color that will go with the smoky eye. It's a matte lipstick, so it will last up to 6 to 7 hours. I have also searched the other sets from Mamaearth. I will put the link in the description box below. Alright, now to fix everything up, I'm using this M.A.C fixing spray. Alright, this is the final makeup look. I just love how this look turned out. It's a daytime makeup look, so I kept it simple, just a lighter smoky eye with the nude lips. You can also wear this kind of makeup look on nighttime also. Now let me know your thoughts of this look in the comment section below. And this is the final makeup look for my anniversary date. Okay, I have to leave now. I will add some clips of my anniversary day. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and push that notification bell. And if you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.